Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be guiding you through a simple and effective way to create a scoring system in Excel. Whether you're using this to track test scores, performance metrics, or any kind of grading system, this method will make it easy to add up points and rank scores. Let's get started. Step 1 is setting up our workbook. Open a new Excel workbook. We'll create a simple table that will serve as the basis for our scoring system. In this tutorial, we'll use an example of a quiz scoring system to show how it works, but you can use this same approach for any other scoring needs. Label column A as name or participant, column B as score 1, column C as score 2, and column D as score 3. For example, if you're grading 3 different tests or sections. Finally, in column E, we'll add total score, and in column F, we'll add rank to show the participant's rank based on their score. Now let's add some sample data. Type in a few names under the name column and add scores for each individual under the score columns. This will help us see how the scoring and ranking system will work. Next, we'll calculate the total score. Click on the first cell under total score. Let's say cell E2. We'll use the sum function here. Type equals sum B2 to D2 and press enter. This formula will add up the scores in columns B, C, and D for the first participant. Once you have the total score in E2, click on the cell and drag the formula down the column to calculate the total for everyone in your list. Now, let's set up the ranking system. Click on the first cell under rank, which should be cell F2. We'll use the rank function to assign a rank based on the total score. Type rank E2, E2 E7 0 and hit enter. Now, let's test out the scoring system by adjusting a few scores. Update some numbers and watch how the total and rank automatically change. With this system, Excel will instantly update ranks based on the latest scores you enter, making it great for real-time performance tracking. And there you have it. A simple scoring system in Excel that's easy to set up and adjust. With just a few formulas and some formatting, you can track scores, rank participants, and highlight top performers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.